This is your boy Franco G. Man, I was not ready to make a fucking video today. I just randomly got a pack in the mail, and of course, it's from the good people from Shop Hello Mary, bro. They just randomly sent me a pack. I have no idea why, but I'm not complaining. So I'm about to show y'all and unbox this little thing for y'all. First, let's look at this. They gave me a little card. It says, you keep the wheels spinning and the grass burning. Thanks for blazing with us. XO Mary. So that's real nice. And I got another one of these stickers. Yeah, I love these fucking stickers, bro. I love their stickers. All of them are so fucking cool. But I really like this one. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Okay. Little bubble wrap. Oh, we got another lighter. Yeah, I know I love these fucking lighters, bro. I just never go wrong with lighters. Let's see, bag kind of heavy. Let's see what they got in here. Okay. Pull this out for you. Ooh, y'all see that there? Can y'all read that? Is it too bright? It say GUSH MINTZ Live ROSIN. It's a whole gram of that shit. Packaged on the 22nd. But look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. Y'all look at this. Amazing packaging, bro. Real nice packaging. Let's go ahead and bust this open. If I could get it. Man, I hate that you have to rip the packaging, bro. I like the damn... I like how this shit looks, man. Ugh. Alright. Yeah, that smells amazing. Look at that. Y'all get a good look at this, man. Nice little cold rosin. I'm probably not gonna get into this right now. Probably gonna put this in the fridge and get a nice little chill on that and use that later. Let's see what else I got in here. Oh, what is this bad boy? It's a rosin infused premium hash hole. Let's see, the flour is RS11 and the rosin is TROP Wilson. A half a gram of TROP Wilson and a 1.5 gram of the RS11. Man, that shit sounds like it's gonna be good as fuck. Let's see what else is in here. Last but certainly not least. See, they gave us, oh man. They must know me, bro. They must know me. They gave me some of the blue face RUNTZ. How they know I love RUNTZ, man? I love RUNTZ. Shit. I'm about to crack this open now and roll one of these for y'all. Hold on a second. I'm gonna crack this shit open. Alright, let's get a good smell test. Ooh. Bro, this smell like candy. It smell like fucking... It smell like RUNTZ and damn... Blue Nerds or Candy Nerds crossed with that shit. I don't know why it smells like that. But golly, it smells good as hell. Let me get y'all look at this. Hold on. Look at that shit there. Look at that. Get inside that bag. Look at that. Them shits Look good as fuck, man. Hella frosty and keep hitting it. You see it all around the bag, bro. That shit is good. But yeah, let's roll this up. Alright, I got the blue face RUNTZ rolled up. As y'all know, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all check out Shot Hella Mary. Y'all really need to check out Shot Hella Mary. Y'all be sleeping on them, bro. But check out Shot Hella Mary. Use promo code FrancoG Get y'all a good discount. Get you some rosin. Get you a hash hole. Get you a pre-roll. Get you some flour. Get you something. They got everything you need on there. From edibles to flour to concentrates. Everything. They got it. Yeah, this really tastes like damn nerds and like blue nerds and RUNTZ. This is a hella good strain. Ooh, yeah, that's good as hell. It's like straight candy. But yeah, let's open up this this asshole, get a good look at this too. Alright, that thing is sealed, y'all hear that? Okay. Alright guys, this is how it comes out. Alright, now this is a nice little fucking jar to keep a pre-roll in. It's got a top, I'm sure you can put it back on there, take it right back off. So yeah, this is a good thing to keep if y'all are on the go, but just don't like to get y'all shit smushed. But yeah, here goes their hash hole. Got a nice little glass tip on it. Oh man, the dry pull on this tastes so good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I definitely cannot wait to get into this. Man, I can already tell this is gonna be strong and hella tasty. I think that TROP Wilson is standing out. Good tropical down terps on some gassy gas. That's a good combination. Yeah, this is, I can already tell this is gonna be a good hitter, heavy hitter right here. Can't stop hitting it, tastes so good. But I'm gonna have to get into that later. Have to. Along with this GUSH mess, I'm gonna have to get into these later. So y'all stay tuned to both of these videos. This was just supposed to be a little unboxing, but I had to get into them blue nerd RUNTZ. My RUNTZ is just one of my weaknesses, man. And I think this asshole is probably gonna be one of my next weaknesses. Has to be. But man, I'm really liking this. It's 3D. It's like, it's really nice detail on this. Nice colors, bro. Yeah, y'all try out Shot Hella Mary. Y'all use promo code FrancoG, and I'll catch y'all. Well, shit. Y'all use promo code FrancoG and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.